Okay, hello dear friends. This video is decimal division. Dividing decimals. Decimal division. So how do we do it? First, we see a number. The teacher will give you a number. 100.25 divided by 5. First, you will see the divider. Make sure the divider is a whole number. If it is not, change into a whole number. I will show you later on. The first problem, this is already a whole number. Nice and clean, we can just do it. And number one, the step number one, make a long line. Number two, make a curve here and inside. Number three, 100.25. Write words, write the number inside. Put every number spacely, comfortably. Don't be mean and stingy on it. I am real estate. You are a real estate agent. You have plenty of space. Okay, 5. Okay, how many 5 goes to 1? 0. So we do not need to write down. And how many 5 goes 10? 2. 2, 5 goes 10. 0, and here is 0. Okay, make sure now you need to write down following, and here is the decimal point, exactly in the same place. Wherever the decimal point on this line, you write the decimal point here. Okay, and keep on doing 0, 5 into 2, 25. 55。So simple. Exactly same as a division without the decimal. So if I do not have the decimal, 10025 divided by 5, you see this is 2005. And make sure the decimal point, the method is exactly the same. The method is exactly the same. Only you need to remember the decimal point will be exactly at the place where it is supposed to be. In this one, the decimal point is here, right? If it is whole number. And if a decimal number, make sure the decimal, the beautiful decimal, put it here. Okay, another one, 0.0040509 divided by 9. Okay, so the divider is a whole number. That is good. We can go ahead, do a long line, do a beautiful curve, and write down the first number, 0 point. Make sure there is enough space in between 0020 40509. Okay, now write it down exactly the same as the normal division. Only remember the decimal point. Here there is 0. Do I need to write this 0? Yes, you have. This time you have, because there is a decimal, and decimal has a point. It does not exist in this world for no reason. It has a point. Okay, so write down this point, and 0 and 0 and 0 and 4. 4 nines goes 40. 36. 4, 5, 5 5945. And then here, do you need to write anything? You have to write 0 and 9, 1. Never ever forget any of these place value. The place value you never ever forget. So that is the result. It is exactly the same as the method, but remember the decimal point. And the 0, here you do not need to write down, but here you need to write down because it's it's the decision of your decimal point. Okay, that is relatively simple. How about we do something a little bit more complicated? For example, 1 divided by 1 divided by 2. The divider is a whole number. Good to go. Write it down. 1 divided by 2, and 0, 2 goes into 1, and that's it. Right? No. You have learned decimal, you can keep on doing. One thing you know, after the decimal point, the 0, without any further number behind, at the end, you can add however many zeros, and the number is still same as 1. You can write as 1 or 1.00000000000. Just keep on writing. Okay, how many 2 goes to 10? See this as a 10. 5, 10. Now go back and see where is the decimal point. It's here, it's here, it's here. This line is the decimal point line. Write down the beautiful decimal point. So the result is 0.5. And still it's relatively easy because the divider is a whole number. How about the divider is not a whole number? 1 divided by 0.005. What do we do like this? We will see. This is how many decimal place. What does it mean? In the class, my student asked me, what is decimal place? Decimal place is behind the decimal. How many digits? How many places? This is one place. This is another place. This is another place. These are the placeholders, and these are the seeds of placeholders. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So there are 3 places behind the decimal. What do? We can cancel this and move this to 1000. So if we change this into whole number, we need to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, and which is equal to 1000. If you move decimal to the right 3 place, you need to do exactly the same thing to the top, to the first number. Move the decimal 3 place, 1, 2, 3, divided by 5, equal to 200. And you can use fraction to prove this point. It's like 1 divided, for example, this question, I will copy it again. 1 divided by 0.005 equal to 1 divided by the first number I didn't change. The second number I will write into fraction form. 1, 2, 3, 3 decimal place, so it's thousands, 5 over thousands. And we know fraction division is just to flip the number to change into multiplication 1 times 5 on the bottom, 1000 on top. So 1000 over 5 is that 1000 divided by 5. Are we seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Right? So that is the reason behind it. Okay, we will do another one. 0.00048 divided by 0.08. So first, the divider is not a whole number. I'm very, very uncomfortable with this. I need to change into whole number. 1, 2. So I move 2 places to here. 1, 2. I need to move 2 places on the divided number, the starting number. 1, 2. Stop here. This is a new place. This is the new beauty. This is the old beauty, and this is the new beauty. So it becomes 0.048 divided by 8, which is 0.006. Make sense? Or if you are not comfortable, equal 0.006. If you are not comfortable, 0.048 divided by 8, 0.0006848. Right? And that is the point. One more, last one. Okay, I lost track of the question number. Okay, this one we will write the last one, L. Last one, 0.0123445 divided by 0.00003. Okay, whoosh, that's a handful. Okay, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We move it 5 places. We need to move this 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it becomes 1234.5 divided by 3, which is 3 4 12 1 3得3 1 1得1.355 411.5 411.5. Okay, and that is about it. Hope this explains a little bit. And I see students have trouble doing it. Do not worry, do not worry. When I first learned it, I have much more trouble than you because I do it all the time. So now I know how to do it, and I want to teach you. I want to let you know how to do it. If you feel your brain hurts, you feel your headache, your brain hurts, and you feel you are so tired, that is good. That is when your brain is growing. Whenever you find you need to struggle, you need to work hard, you need to work extra hard, you need to work so hard that your brain hurts, that's when your brain is growing, and your brain, your membrane, your brain is growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, and you become such a big brain. Your brain will be as big as Einstein. Okay, You have a good night. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do.